Alright, now you can see my twist on my rope. It's pretty cool looking now that I use that rasp. Now the next step is to make it look even prettier. I can just take a 80 grit sandpaper here and just kind of work your way in all the corners. It takes a little elbow grease for this. Getting all those little scragglies off and everything. It's starting to look pretty cool now. Look at that candy rope right there. That is really cool. I still need to clean a couple little spots off here and there. But other than that, that's how you do a barley twist. Man, who would have thought you can twist wood like that?